So I got my new box from Simple Stories Carpe Diem. And you guys, these products are so pretty. I cannot wait to show them to you. I'm really excited. I can't even talk. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you Good Vibes, Bloom, the summer collection, and the Father's Day collection. So keep watching. Hi there everyone, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate, and today I have some fantastic product from Simple Stories. The Carpe Diem line. It is so fab. I'm so excited to show this to you. Before we get into it, I want to make sure that you guys are subscribed because I have like product release videos like this. I also have planner videos that not only keep you organized, they help you keep your planner nice and pretty. So if you like that stuff, hit that subscribe button and you won't miss a thing. So let's get into it. This is the Good Vibes line. It says Good Vibes. I absolutely love this. I don't want to put this down in officially, but I think this is my favorite line. I really do. It's so fun. It's so just peppy and pretty, and I'll just show you this because it's got more of an overview of what the designs are. I love that it's got a bit of black and white, especially the stripes. Like I love black and white stripes, and these colors, these are my happy colors. This feather, these flowers. I love it. I love it. Okay, there's also the washi. Now this is the same pattern as on the TN, so it matches. And then there are these die cuts. I'll show you all the designs on the back there. So fun. Look at that fab with the flowers. Like I'm dying. Seriously, these are so fun. And the flowers. Oh, okay. Awesome. And then there's a book of stickers, and there are 8 sheets. So there are the 8 different, oops, sorry for the glare. There's the 8 different sheets. Like I love these numbers, and look at these, the little shirt. Oh, I'm dying. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit excited. I don't know if you can tell. And then we have the 6x8 paper pad, and these patterns are amazing. So I'll just do a quick flippy through. Those are fantastic. Look at those dots. Like, oh my god. There's those flowers from the fab. And a map. Oops, sorry. And some more numbers. I skipped a page. I'm not flipping through this quickly at all. Wow. Ah, love these patterns. Oh, the polka dots, like just everything. Everything. It's just amazing. I'm dying. I'm dying. Okay, and that's the rest is all the same. Yeah. And then there's also, I'll get the right one. There's also paper. This is 12 by 12 paper. These are all the designs you get, and this is a cut apart sheet. Oh, there's 3 of them. Sorry, I'm so excited I can't even see straight. And then there's stickers, a sticker sheet as well that I can't even fit in the whole thing. Wouldn't that look cool? Like over the top of your planner spread, like if you had good on one side and vibes on the other. So fun. Love it. Look at these like tabs. Awesome. All right, that's Good Vibes. Now let's look at Bloom. Now this is stunning. This is more sophisticated maybe than Good Vibes. So pretty. Look at this chipboard. Like look. Oh, so pretty. This is the washi. Can you see that with the glare? I should open it. It's the same flowers as this Bloom here. There's also these die cuts. Look at this. Oh my god, the stripes. Again with the black and white stripes. I am in heaven. Look at this tag. You can't see it because it's got the glare, but oh my god. So pretty. And then there's also the sticker sheets, and there's 8 pages. I love these soft feminine colors and the flowers. Oh god, I'm so in love. I'm so in love with all these products. And then there's the paper pack, and these are the stickers. There's another washi that I've had. Yeah, it's here. I've got this before, and it's the same washi, so that matches as well. Like, look at that. Look at the typewriter. Are you serious? Like, oh my god. Anyway, I'll calm down just a little bit. So there's 2 cut apart sheets here. Black and white stripes. And those flowers again. This one's my favorite, I think. That one and the black and white stripe. So those are all 12 by 12, which I can't fit in because it's too big. There's the bit of this one. Yeah, so that's Bloom. So pretty. And then there is the Hello Summer. And this is the paper collection. So there's a lot of papers in this one. And look, there's even like cutaway pages down here. Those are all 12 by 12. And then the stickers are tucked in the back. And these are really fun. Look at that border. It's like a scallop border. And these are, look at that one. Oh my god. And the flowers. I love Simple Stories flowers. They're so pretty. And there's a pineapple. It's like a real pineapple. Yeah. Cool. And then there's, of course, stickers and things. So I'll pull those up. That's the washi. Such glare. It's not helping. Sorry. And then there's the die cuts. And there's all the different designs. Look at that hello with the strawberry. So fun. I love this one. I think this is my favorite. All you need is ice cream. Ice cream is my favorite. Like, you know how they say if you were stranded on a desert island, what would you take? I would take an endless supply. If, like, my family and stuff, if you don't count that, I would take an endless supply of ice cream. Yeah, because I love ice cream. There's the sticker sheet. Sticker sheets. Oh, look at these. Look at all the little phrases. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm dying. The little scooter. And then there's there's a paper pack with this one. Some leaves and some colors. Kinds of fun things. Oh, those flowers. Seriously. These flowers. And strawberry. Cactuses. Cacti. Is that how you say it? I don't know. And then the chipboard. There's that scooter again. And the flowers. Love the flowers. So fun. Alright, I've got one more to show you. And then I'm going to show you my favorites of everything that I got. So this last collection is just a sticker pack, paper pack. And it is the Father's Day collection. And it's called Plaid Dad. Now, Father's Day for us here in Luxembourg is in October. But I'm Canadian, even though I live in Luxembourg. And I want to do this for Canada Day, which is in July. Doesn't that look like very Canadian? So there's all these like Happy Father's Day, Daddy-O, Pops is the top, all that stuff. But I don't have to use everything. Like, look at these socks. Wouldn't that look fun hung over like at the top of your spread, maybe over the weekend? And Pop, because in Canada we call it Pop, right? Doesn't have to be Dad. And I can use shirts and #1 country, because it is really #1 country. Oh, I keep hitting that. I'm sorry. Yeah, and I thought, where are they here? I could mix some of these, like these words, just the phrases, for example, black on white, would match really well. So with the ice cream die cut, so I could use some of those, even like Slice of Summer and stuff. Good vibes. This will probably match. I'm gonna mix and match them for Canada Day. Yeah, cool, huh? All right, so I'm going to go pick out all my favorites, and I'll show you those in a second. All right, so I've gone through and I picked out my favorites. Let's start with Bloom. So I took the washi out of the package so you could see. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use this. And then there's the die cuts, and I really had a hard time choosing, so I took quite a few. But I want to show them all to you because they're so pretty. Love this. There's these little guys. I think are my favorite of all of them. These little labels. And then there's another one. That. Oh, and this little planner. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. And then I picked these 3 sheets out of the sticker book, sticker pack. They're amazing. They're so, look at the typewriter. I love it. I love it. There it is again. So pretty. Okay, so those are my favorites from Bloom. Now let's go on to the summer collection. Now I didn't take a lot out of this because I think it was the first one and I was being kind of what's the word? Like I didn't want to take too much. then I went to Bloom and I went to wait till you get to Good Vibes. I took a lot of Good Vibes. Anyway, so I just love this polka dot and this Hello Beautiful. And I think I'm going to put that as a dashboard in a planner somewhere. And I just really like these labels and these little tiny stickers and it just make me happy. And it's very summery and so the colors are really pretty. All right, now, oh, also from the summer, I took out the ice cream because it's my favorite. And look how fun that looks against the, I'm going to call it the Canada paper, but it's the Plaid Dad. But anyway, Plaid Dad. But anyway, yeah, so this is going to be my Canada Day spread. And I found some other things too that I'm excited to use. All right, are we ready? Let's do Good Vibes. No, I probably could have just taken, I can't even talk. I'm not making any sense. I could have taken, get that out. I could have taken the whole collection and just said it was my favorite because honestly, I am so in love with this collection. So I just took all of the chipboard. Like I think the only one that I probably won't use is the hat and the sunglasses because it's not my style. But the rest of them, Totally me. Yeah. Then, again with the die cuts, let me just spread them out. They're just so, look at this camera. Look at it. Look at it. Is it not adorable? And then again with the labels. And then this shirt, just because it's black and white stripes. I have something with black and white stripes. I don't know. Do your thing. And of course the flowers. And then there's the black and white. Actually more like cream. It matches the TN that I showed you before. And another little label-y tab thingy. So fun. Okay, I don't want to spill those. Alright, and then you know what I did? I took the stickers out of the package. And I just took them all. Because I couldn't decide. Look, just look at them. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Do I have to really wait to use these? I really want to just like go play right now with these. They're so fun. They're so fun. I love it. And then I took some papers. I took them from the 8x6 book because it was easier. But they're the same as 12x12. So I'll just flip through these really quickly. Look at that. Like... do I have a thing for polka dots? Especially black and white polka dots? I'm not sure. And then there's the black and white stripes. Like, and then the color. That's just me right there. Polka dot stripes and flowers. So that's it. Those are my favorites. Let me know in the comments below what your favorites were. You don't have to say like just one. You can name a few if you found a few that you liked. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see what I come up with all these fun projects. And I will talk to you soon. Happy planning!